Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos, located in the heart of San Jose del Cabo, a beautiful artist community and set right on the beach. I've got a treat for you today. We are in an incredible suite right now. It is an oceanfront, 2-bedroom grand master suite. You're gonna love it. It is absolutely massive. Let me show you what it's all about. So as soon as you walk in the door, I did want to point out this eco-friendly feature that you do need to have a key card in there at all times to make sure that the power stays on. You can charge your devices. When that comes out, the power is going to go off. Now this is the first of the bathrooms. This is a half bath. You've got the toilet over to the corner. You've got a vanity right here, backlit magnifying mirror. But this room is an entertainer's paradise. This is 2.5 baths, so this is just basically for your guests coming over or an extra bath. As we continue on, you can see your large dining room table. You can take advantage of that fantastic room service menu. Of course, you might be hosting friends if you're having a wedding on site, hosting a group, whatever it is, this is perfect to play a game or dine. Now continuing on, you have a really large living room area. So you see you have a full couch here. This actually does pull out into a queen. You've got 2 chairs on either side, a large coffee table. You've got the first of your phones. And right over here, I did want to point out, this is a club level suite. So you're going to have the club lounge that you can take advantage of, the upgraded alcohol menu in there. And of course, they have grab and go throughout the day, continental breakfast, and of course, the services of the concierge throughout. Another one of those upgraded amenities are these extra bottles of alcohol. You've got your fully stocked mini bar underneath here as well, and you can have it replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. So now that you've seen the living space, you can see why we use this a lot for when we have maybe an executive hosting a corporate group, or of course, the bride or groom's family hosting a wedding. This resort is an absolute perfect option for a lot of groups. We do a lot of groups here. You can see why somebody might want this room to entertain. Now we're headed into the first of 2 bedrooms. So back there, you've got one of the safes. You've got the door that shuts off. That's perfect for that separation, that privacy, no matter what group configuration you're traveling in. And down here, you'll see you've got storage underneath and storage up above. The second closet here is where you are going to find your robe and slippers. You also have an iron and ironing board. Now, they have an incredible spa here on site. We highly recommend that you check it out. If you want to see the entire resort, we've got a full resort tour where I go in every single space, talk about the restaurants, the spa, the lobby, the beach, the pool. You can check all that out if you would like. So now we're just inside the bathroom for the first bedroom. You do have the toilet over here, door that shuts. I like that. You've got your backlit magnifying mirror, a full double vanity, and this is part of that upgraded club level amenity kit. You have a few extra treats in there for you. Underneath, you have your hair dryer. You also have the scale. Try to avoid that whenever possible. And then right around the corner, you have the first of the showers. This one, you've got your rainforest shower head. You also have your shower wand. And right over here, you've got a little nook to put the soaps. Now we're in the bedroom area. I wanted to point out that they have the temperature control here. There's one in each room. I like that you can set that as you like. And here you see you've got your 2 double beds right there. In the middle, you've got your Bluetooth speaker and alarm. You have a US plug, 2 USB plugs. When they renovated this property, they added a ton of plugs throughout the space. I really appreciate that. Directly across, you have your Sony flat panel TV. 2 more plugs there, another plug and 2 USB chargers, and a ton of storage, as well as an ottoman that's tucked away. Now, if you need even more space, one great option is that you can also add from an interior a lockout room. So from the exterior, this is where they would head in. This is the entrance to the 2-bedroom. You put them together, you have a 3-bedroom, and once again, you can go from the inside or the outside. Now we're just inside the master bedroom. I did want to point out that the door does shut, so you close off and have that privacy. And underneath here, you have your safe, a little more storage as well. Continuing along, you've got your double storage right there. You've got another iron. They'll bring that ironing board for you. You've got hang-up storage in there. And continuing along, you have more hang-up storage as well as storage up top. So now we're inside the second full bathroom. You've got your toilet tucked around the corner there. Another backlit magnifying mirror. You can see those upgraded amenities. It's virtually the same as the other with the hairdryer and the scale. Now, tucked back here, you have a unique configuration where you have your shower wand, beautiful rainforest shower head, and you also have a large soaking tub. This is a jacuzzi tub, so it's perfect for a nice relaxing soak, or if you're traveling with the family, it's great to have a bathtub with kids. Now we're inside this incredible oceanfront king master bedroom. So the bed is angled perfectly looking out at the incredible ocean views. Next to the bed, once again, you have your US plug, 2 USB plugs, your Bluetooth speaker. On the other side, you have virtually the same. You've got the US plug and USB plugs. You've got your phone and your remote control that controls that flat panel TV. Now, it's a full television capabilities. In addition to it, it also has different menus, and you can check out what's going on around the resort. One little touch that I really appreciate that they have in both bedrooms is a fan. I love to have that air moving, and this particular one is incredible because you have balconies on both sides that you can open up and get that amazing ocean front breeze. Now, one thing I did want to point out is that this room category does come in a 2 king variety as well. So if you have a couple couples traveling together or different kind of group configurations, that can make a lot of sense if you don't need the 2 double beds for the extra bedding. Over here, you've got your writing desk, more plugs, USB and US, and an ottoman to sit and get ready. So positioned just in front of the bed, you have this Juliet balcony right here, perfect for the breeze. You can probably see the breeze coming through. That is absolutely fantastic. And then as we come around to the other side, I just opened this up as well. And this is where you step out onto your larger bedroom balcony. So you have 2 large loungers right here, really, really comfortable. And then as you continue along, you have 2 chairs and a table. This is that perfect place to take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu, whether you want a cup of coffee in the morning, a cocktail in the evening looking out at this amazing view, or a full meal. But what I love about this is you have these incredible views in every direction at this beautiful beach, and you also, from this angle, get a pool view as well. For point of reference, these are the doors that lead into the bedroom with the 2 double beds, just so you can see how large this balcony is. So now I'm headed out to the first of the 3 balconies in this particular suite. And what I love so much is all I hear right now is the sound of the crashing waves. It's absolutely soothing. The views are incredible. And where you're positioned right here, if you happen to be here in late December, January, February, it is an incredible place to watch whales. I've seen them from this property myself, and wow, it's just absolutely spectacular. You see you've got 2 chairs out here, you got the small table. This is that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee in the morning, cocktail in the afternoon, but I'm kind of mesmerized right now. This is absolutely incredible, and wow, the views are just spectacular. So when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any suite at Hyatt Ziva or Zilara, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Playa Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We coordinate a ton of groups here, families, whatever it is that you're looking for. We know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.